Hi, welcome back everyone. In today's video, I will show you another feature of the Vsub, which is the Brain Teaser. Earlier on, I showed you the other two, so today we will look at this Brain Teaser video. So from here, you can select your language, and then we have all the different kind of character. And for now, I will just go with a simple one. Any one that you choose, it doesn't matter. And then the template. There's only this template, so we'll just click continue. In the future, they'll add on more cartoon movie and more template. So what exactly is a brain teaser? Basically, you ask a question and then you have a kind of clock ticking for the viewer to answer the question. I'm sure you have seen this video on YouTube Shorts or TikTok video before or Instagram Reel. So for now, we need to start the creation. So with this, I will use the ChatGPT to help us with some simple teaser question. So I'll just go with this. Give me top 5 animal in 5 countries with question and answer. That means a Q&A kind of thing. So let's see. What are some of the iconic animals found in Australia? This is the answer. And then India. So Brazil, South Africa, and China. So we will just pick one question, the question, and then we will just pick one of the answer. So let's go back to Vsub again. So for here, you can start to ask the question straight away, or you can add a comment first. So usually for this kind of video, we want to prepare the viewer. So let them know what this video is about, or give them some teaser. So from here, you can select your character, and then you type in the topic that you want, and basically keep your viewer engaged. So I'm just doing a very simple one. Can you guess the 5 questions in this 5 countries? Make sure your capital letter or everything is spelled correctly the way you want, because this is going to be one of the subtitles. So from here, we will generate the voice and save. And if you choose different character, you will have a different voice. So that is the first part. This is not yet the Q&A yet. So now that we have this command, we start to ask question. Remember here, this is a question and this is the answer. So just give me a minute to put in all the question and answer first. So the first question is, what are some of the most iconic animals found in Australia? So the spoken answer is kangaroo. What is your display answer? So usually it will be the same as a spoken answer. So in this case, I'll generate and save. And then I'll go on to the second question. And then we'll ask another question again, because I mentioned is the top 5 Q&A. So just give me a minute. So if you see the second question, which animal are considered important to Indian culture and natural heritage? Okay, because the answer is Indian elephant, but my display is elephant. So for the last question, you can see what are some of the animals found in China. China is famous for panda. So the display, I'm going to change it differently from the spoken answer, so that you can know how it turned out. And then we will generate and save. Of course, I've asked 5 questions in ChatGPT. You can put it as 10 and then choose 5, or of these 5, you can pick 3. It doesn't matter, depending on how you want your shorts or TikTok video to be. And we can just start. And this will be 40 seconds. Let's just preview the video first.
What's the 5 question in this 5 country? What are some of the most iconic animals found in Australia? Kangaroo. Which animals are considered important to India's cultural...
And so you can see we are now completed. So let's just preview the whole video.
What's the 5 question in this 5 country? What are some of the most iconic animals found in Australia? Kangaroo. Which animals are considered important to India's cultural and natural heritage? Indian elephant. What are some of the most famous animals of Brazil's Amazon rainforest? Jaguar. Which animals are commonly associated with South Africa's famous wildlife safaris? Lion. What are some of the most notable animals found in China? Giant panda.
So you see how easy it is to produce this video. In fact, my whole recording take only about 5 minutes plus. So if I'm not doing any recording, I'm just producing the video, I can do this kind of video in under 5 minutes. That is how easy it is to use the Vsub to produce this kind of video. If you were to do it manually with CapCut and with image generation and then all the voiceover, then it is going to take you at least 30 minutes to 60 minutes. So this is the power of Vsub. That's why once I see these tools, I think that Vsub is going to be a game changer for those short or TikTok content creator. I just hope that one of these days they will have an option to have 16:9. That means the horizontal kind of video instead of the vertical. But for now, if you're doing shorts or TikTok video, Instagram reel, I think Vsub is fantastic. Let me know if you have any question. I will try to answer it. If not, let me see you in the next video. In the next video, we will be looking at the AI video feature. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.